Good morning, class. I am your science teacher. Let's start with chapter number 11, the value of flowers. As you all know, we have already studied about this chapter half. So we can continue with the chapter. And you all know, let me brief you, the valley of flower is known as Uttaranchal. Uttaranchal is also known as the valley of flowers. And we have studied about different types of flowers and different things. So we have also studied about the Madhubani painting and how it is made. Madhubani painting is famous for Madhubani. So we have done this different things. Now let's just come to this page. We are starting with this page, that is blooming buds. If you see the blooming buds, if you see in the picture, you can see that a bud is a smaller part. Bud is basically the first phase of the flower. When the bud is formed, then the flower will bloom and it will grow. So what is the difference between a bud and a flower? A bud is basically a smaller part. It is smaller thing. It is the first phase of the flower, and then a flower is formed. And if you see, there is an exercise given to you. If you observe a bud and a flower, you can give the following answers according to it. Now let's just come to this page. Now you know that flowers are only used for decoration? No, we can use the flowers for different purposes. We use the flowers for eating. We use the flowers as medicines. We use the flowers colors also for different purposes. So please underline this. In Uttar Pradesh, Kachnar flower is used for making vegetables. In Kerala, if you know that banana flowers are used for making vegetables. And in Maharashtra, Sahajan flowers are used as the pakoras. Sahajan flowers are used to make pakoras, and they are famous in Maharashtra. And there are different flowers which we use in the form of gravy when we make the vegetables, like Sahajan, banana, and what we call kachnar. And the flower which is used as chutney is Shefalika flower. Shefalika is a flower which is used as a chutney form. Okay, and you should know that flowers are used in different forms, that is medicine also. So for making medicines, we use two types of flowers, that is cedar and rose. They both are used in the medicine form also. And you should know that the rose water is used in different purposes for making medicines, sweet, lassi. In the form we use in different forms at home. Colors, we also make colors from the flowers. As we have studied from the Madhubani painting, the flowers are used to make colors, and these flowers are marigold, zinnia. Marigold and zinnia are the flowers which are mostly used for making colors. And from these colors we dye the clothes, we decorate the bed sheets, we make different things out of these colors. Now if you see, there are some questions which are written that flowers are used for making colors. There are many flowers which are used for making color that we have discussed now: marigold, zinnia. And there are do you know any color which is not made from the flower? That is silver. Silver is the color which is not made from the flowers. Now there is another question, that is, can you tell the flowers which scents which are used in the scents? That is, your rose is used, marigold is used, different flowers which are used to make scents, ethers. Okay, so if you know that this blue box is very important, because ether were used in the previous times. In the earlier times, ether is used as a scent, and they are used in the form of perfumes. So it is basically formed in Uttar Pradesh. Ether is basically formed in Uttar Pradesh, that is in Kanuj district, where the flowers has been used to make ethers. And these are the flowers which have been uploaded, truckload कर करके they brought from different areas. And Kanuj is famous for making ether bottles. And from flowers we make different things also, like rose water, like kewar water. And thousands of people are busy in Kanuj for making this ether. It is famous in Kanuj district. Now there are some exercises given in the book which will be given, the answers will be given to you in the PDF form. Don't worry about it. These all are the exercises, and these are the general knowledge which you observe. And you can tick the things and you can write basically the simple answers from it, and the PDF form will be available to you today only. And as you all know, we use flowers for different purposes, for making medicines, flowers, for making colors, for making vegetables, and even for making paintings and different things. So flowers forms a very important part in our life, and we use flowers in different things in our life. And thank you, and I hope आपको ये चैप्टर समझ में आया होगा. Thank you everyone.